Hi, this is Helen Keith, the Key team at Keller Williams Realty Landmark here in Queens, New York City. I just want to tell you a little bit about some of the services that we offer. We have our Key team concierge. So what we were able to do with one of our out-of-town sellers is take his home in Bayside and really go through a lot of process, really, meaning we had clean out people, we had tag sale people, we painted and repaired to really bring the house up to a full value. So it really made a difference here, and we were able to go to contract within 3 weeks of putting it on the market. So I will tell you, and again, keeping them within a budget, but doing the important things that made the biggest difference. So reach us. The market is calling for these kind of improvements. We never like you to spend a nickel if you can't get a dime back, but these small improvements make a big difference in how fast your home sells, and certainly for a higher price. So reach us. We will be glad to give you a current update on your home's value through our comparative market analysis in depth, and let you see what's going on in the market today and how it affects your home. Now, particularly specifics we did in this house, we really had to do a full clean out and then what we call a deep clean. We also did a polishing of the floors, and we had a wall that had some kind of decorative art on it, so it was very distracting. So we really had to have that whole wall with special preparation. Then certainly replacing certain lighting, certainly doing a cleaning, and what we added at the end, which was important, because now after a tag sale clean out, we're all vacant. We did virtual staging through photography to really let potential buyers see what and how the home can be laid out. Very important. These are the extras that we go to for our sellers to really help them get top dollar. Reach us. Our information's at the bottom here for your free CMA, comparative market analysis, for your home's current value in today's market.